How to copy your profile link on Pinterest to share it with your friends or any social media account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find and copy your Pinterest account quickly, fast way. So let's start. First thing you do, we go to Pinterest and this is the homepage as you see. Now you go to your profile here and click on those dots here on the up corner here as you can see, and then click on copy profile link, and that's it guys, link copied. It's very easy and quickly way to copy your profile link, and hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you later. Thank you for watching.